You want more clients, but every time you try to grow, you feel like you're taking one step forward and then three steps back. And it's so fucking frustrating. You know that you could do it. You could get there faster. You've seen other people do it, and you're like, I can do that too. So what am I missing? This is currently costing you thousands of dollars of sales and a slight heartache because you know you could help more people. In this video, I'm going to share 3 simple steps to clear your abundance blocks. I have used this daily and still continue to use it to grow my 6-figure business, which also has led me to have consistent income per month. And make sure you stay for the last one because the third one is the most important one. The first is clarity. You have to determine what your actual block is and be very, very specific with this. Sometimes it's so easy to just label and default and, look at the bank account or look at our client roster and say, oh my God, I want more. I have an abundance block, right? But it's very important to ask yourself questions and answer them honestly with regards to what the actual problem is. And so I will give you an actual example. So, say you want to attract 3 high ticket clients per month. This question is going to be very, very important, and you need to marinate on this question. So, whatever goal you have, in this example, I'll say 3 high ticket clients, ask yourself, what is stopping you from getting these 3 clients? And be honest. You can verbalize it, you can journal it out if you'd like, but you want to be very clear on what is stopping you. That is the first step, answering this question. And second, just be honest. And I know that some manifestation abundance coaches are not going to want you to focus on what's going wrong, focus on what's going right. But I actually disagree with that. You want to know what is going wrong so you can fix it. There's nothing wrong with that. Ruminating makes it a problem, but actually knowing where your constraints are is one of the biggest skill sets that you'll have that the manifestation world really fucks up. And so I'll give you an example. Maybe you're looking at your current business and process and you're like, oh, I think I'm focusing on the wrong thing. Or maybe you have a business or marketing coach and you're like, yeah, I'm not really listening or applying what they are telling me. And maybe you realize that there is a skill that you need to improve on. Maybe you need to get better at marketing, right? Marketing to your very specific target market, right? Maybe videos, right? How to create converting video content. Maybe that is a skill because those are so important as well. It's not just the beliefs, but everything is a skill set. I teach my clients to look at everything as a skill set, especially in business, because that's what they are. The better skilled you are with these, the more abundance and income and clients you'll bring. And so when you answer that question of what is stopping me from getting this goal, naturally it will lead you to the second step, which is identify the missing piece. Your brain is already wired to find solution and find what is missing if you just allow it to. This is where regulation can really, really help you because you'll learn how to focus on this. And so based on the same thing, what is stopping you from getting the 3 high ticket clients per month, and you've determined that maybe it's the focus, maybe I'm not listening to my coaches, or maybe there's a skill, right? Those are the missing puzzle pieces. And when you get that, you will feel regulated immediately. In my world, action is regulation. We really don't feel regulated before action. Our nerve systems are wired to act, not to passively consume. And so when we're moving and when we feel that sense of accomplishment, that is actually regulating on its own. And so using the same example, right? You want to ask yourself, okay, so what do I then need to get this goal? And sometimes it's going to be the same thing. Your brain already knows, your brain already calculated it. You just need to listen. And so using the 3 examples, right? What do you need to get this goal? Focusing on the wrong thing. What is the right thing that you want to focus on, right? And you can ask yourself a question with regards to that. When things did work before, what did you do? You can look back at like with your previous endeavors and say, okay, what do I know has shown to work? And be honest, like, have I done that? You know, sometimes we get distracted, right? Sometimes we get distracted, which is very normal. Sometimes we get bored and we like to change things up that are already working. So sometimes it's just redirecting ourselves back to what worked, and then that will get us to our metaphorical growth faster. If it's maybe you're not listening to your coaches, you can either go back to the program that you're in and start asking questions, engaging, using the modules, and actually doing the training, and learn that skill. If it is a skill set that you need to get better at, if you've invested in courses, go back to it. It's very common for business owners to just hoard courses for skills, which is, the first step. But if you're finding that you have a skill gap in one thing and you already have a course for that, that's actually good news because then you can use those tools, right? And sometimes it can really, really be just that simple. And so when you identify this missing puzzle piece, the next is the most important part, which is taking action. And so for this step of taking action, you want to cement this shit into reality. Meaning, if you have a to-do list per day, you want to make sure you put that in. You are more likely to take action on the thing that is in front of you, right? And so when you are able to do that, you can then have that clarity and knowing with regards to what you need to do that day. And that in and of itself will give you regulation as well. Some people get anxious when they wake up per day because there's no structure. Our brains do need a certain set of structure, especially in business. And if we go and stray too far away from those systems, then that is the reason why we get anxious and exhausted per day. Our brain is literally looking for something. Help yourself and give yourself that task. So literally through everything, I have a task for it. So if maybe my focus is on the wrong thing and I'm just reminded as I'm asking myself questions that, oh, there's a module from this course that I know is going to help me. I will put that shit in my to-do list, either today or tomorrow, like whenever I need to be doing that. And so check out XYZ module from ABC course, right? Like I would put that in, cement that in your reality, and you will find that you'll have relief immediately. So why are these three steps so important? Neuroscience, baby. That is literally how your brain and nerve system is wired. Neuroplasticity, meaning your ability for your nerves to change, which means your behaviors, your actions, your thoughts, your reality. In order for that to change, you must give it a new mental or neural map. This is more than mental, it actually becomes body based. I teach body based because we take action through our body, right? And when you can hack that circuitry in your body, you can then act in a way that aligns with your goals. And so when you gain your clarity, when you identify that puzzle piece, and when you take action on those things, you are creating a new neural map for your mind and body to be familiar with. And when you do this consistently in your business, you'll just automatically act in that way. So instead of you going, oh my God, I got no new clients again, and you panic, you'll be like, okay, my client list went down this month. What the fuck? Let's ask ourselves questions. And then you'll be able to do this naturally and you'll get out of that hump fast. This is when you can go through a small month and it wouldn't matter because within that small month, you're going to be doing this process eventually unconsciously to take the next action to then have more money months from now, which is going to save you and your business. And also, when you get clarity, you'll just have certainty. When you know what the missing puzzle piece is, you have certainty. When you take action and it's cemented in your reality, it's in your to-do list or your agenda, you create certainty. And nothing creates a more stressful and threatening experience for the nervous system than uncertainty. When we feel uncertain, we get anxious, we get overwhelmed, we shut down, we get depressed, we panic. And so you are giving yourself that certainty by taking action on these things, which will naturally just clear those abundance blocks, those abundant blocks. That brain fog that you have, that is your nervous system looking for some certainty, right? And so when you do this, you give it that certainty, which clears the brain fog. And what that brain fog, that dysregulation is cleared up, then your prefrontal cortex, which is this part of your brain involved in resilience, involved in critical thinking, decision making, executive function, that part of your brain starts to turn on again. And when that part of your brain starts to turn on, your money making brain also turns on, which is fucking fantastic, right? So, three very, very simple steps. This is something that I use all the time, as I mentioned, and it has led me to having like a failed launch, like a $0 launch. I put everything in that launch, okay, but it fucking failed. I use this consistently, and the next launch that I made, $9,000. Okay, it can happen that fast when you have this. And so, take action on this, take notes, take the next steps, share below how you are going to use this for your business. And if you want to get there faster, if you want to rewire your nervous system faster so that you can attract more abundance and no longer feel the need to clear it every single day because you'll just become that person who attracts abundance naturally, then definitely check out the links below and let's get started.